Hare Krishna. Going to recite a poem. Yes, you are looking for Krishna. When in life you collapse and need a hand to lift you up, you are looking for Krishna. You feel misjudged and need an ear to listen. You are looking for Krishna. You feel cheated and need a shoulder to cry on. You are looking for Krishna. You lose someone dear and need a solace. You are looking for Krishna. Everything turns upside down and needs a turnaround. You are looking for Krishna. You have done your best and life doesn't stop to test. You are looking for Krishna. Everything fails and you need one last hope. You are looking for Krishna. Your health is crashed and you long for a miracle. You are looking for Krishna. You are mentally drained and sigh for peace. You are looking for Krishna. You find no reason to smile and still need to survive. You are looking for Krishna. You despair for selflessness in this selfish world. You are looking for Krishna. Darkness knocks you down and you need a beacon. You are looking for Krishna. Fear haunts you and you need a heroic escape. You are looking for Krishna. You are bestowed with the unfathomable lessons of life and need the best teacher to elucidate. You are looking for Krishna. That moment which makes you smile, that taste of your favorite dish, the reminiscence of your treasured memories, the fragrance of your special scent, the water which quenches your thirst, that weather which makes you dance, that beloved who makes you feel warm, that music which soothes your ears, that shimmer in your lovely dress, the victory in your favorite sport, and the gain in your loss, that fortitude in pain, that relief in a therapy, that pursuit of happiness, that joy in despair, that hope in hopelessness, that rain in the drought, and the strength to rise up. Every second, every moment, every corner, the only one that we desire is just Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna.